Hey friends, Sarah here from Chic Chalking and Design, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a permanent design on fabric. We're going to use a tea towel today because they are quick and easy and they turn out so cute. So here I'm just deciding where the center of my tea towel is, both top to bottom and left to right. And that's my ink mat. And an ink mat is very important when you're doing ink projects. It keeps your fabric straight and it's sticky, so it keeps it stuck where you want it to be, and it keeps the fabric from stretching. So I just place it exactly where I want. The other nice thing is that ink mat will prevent the ink from bleeding through onto the back side of my project. So my silkscreen transfer is sticky and reusable, and that is key for getting those great results each and every time. So I peel it off my backer sheet and save that for storage later. And then I'm going to take my sticky reusable transfer and I'm going to find the place that I want it on my tea towel, and I'm going to place it there, making sure that it's straight. And then I'm going to just press it down, make sure that there's no air bubbles, there's no wrinkles. And I like to trace my finger over each of the letters, making sure that they're really well stuck. And that's how I prevent the bleed through. So today I'm using my ink product, which is permanent and comes in a variety of colors. And here you see me using the color Currant Jam. I'm going to use my squeegee and grab a little bit of that ink. And then I'm going to, with a light hand, drag it across my silkscreen transfer. So I don't need to press incredibly hard because then it could potentially squeeze through and I would get it, I would bleed through. So just taking that ink back and forth over top of the silkscreen transfer with a gentle hand in one direction ideally, and making sure that I have covered all of my area so that I have a good saturation of color, because that ink is permanently adhering to the fabric. So go back and take off any excess and put it in my pot, save it for later, and set my tools aside to be washed. Check my fingers to make sure that I don't have any on there. And then I just peel off my transfer and ta-da, there's my design on my tea towel. Isn't that sweet? So quick and so easy. So the next thing I need to do is allow that to dry for about 24 hours. And once the ink is fully dried, then I go in and I heat set it. And here, that's what you see me doing now. Using my household iron and a piece of parchment paper, my iron is set to the temperature of the fabric that I'm ironing. And I just go ahead and iron it for a couple of minutes on both sides. And that's it. My project is done and ready for my kitchen or to be gifted. Here you see me doing a t-shirt. Same thing. I'm heat setting this one. The ink is dry. I use my iron to heat set both sides, inside and out, using that parchment paper just to make sure that it's really well heat set. And then that's it. It's permanent. You will wash this and dry it as you normally would. No peeling, no cracking, no fading. Perfect each and every time. And you can create permanent projects with my ink products, quick and easy and beautiful every single time.